Hi folks, and welcome to your little preview for week 2. In this week, we will be continuing our Unit 1 content into general chemistry. Our focus is going to be on stoichiometry and the important chemical concept of the mole. Stoichiometry is the study of the amounts of substances used and produced in chemical reactions. It's based on the idea that matter cannot be created or destroyed, so the total amount of reactants must be equal to the amount of products. Stoichiometry can be used to answer questions like, how much carbon dioxide will be produced when 10 grams of methane is burned? Or how much water is needed to produce 100 grams of hydrogen gas? Imagine you are baking a cake. The recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 3 eggs. This is the stoichiometric ratio of ingredients for the cake. If you use more or less of any ingredient, the cake will not turn out right. Stoichiometry works the same way for chemical reactions. The other concept we will introduce this week is that of the mole. The mole is a unit of measurement used in chemistry to count numbers of atoms or molecules in a substance. It is like a dozen, but for atoms and molecules. 1 mole of any substance contains the same number of atoms or molecules, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23. This number is called Avogadro's number. The mole is a useful unit of measurement because it allows us to compare quantities of different substances. For example, we can use the mole to calculate the amount of product that will be produced from a given amount of reactants, or the amount of reactant that is needed for a given amount of product. The concept of the mole will be very important as we continue through the unit and explore other topics in general chemistry. I'm excited to start exploring these topics in depth with you as our week progresses. Please make sure to reach out to me if you're experiencing any issues with content or Canvas. I hope to see you in office hours this week.